Hey guys, it's Tamika James and welcome to Weave Tips. Bit of help for the nighttime. With your wavy hair, run your fingers through it. As long as it's dry, twist it. By the way, did I mention that I'm a licensed professional? My videos are meant to be marketed to professional stylists, but I'm sure that anyone out there is watching, so I guess you guys can watch too. This time I'm going to use a bobby pin. Remember, run your fingers through. Twist. Wrap it around itself. Tuck. Now this time I'm using a bobby pin. And just run straight through it. Then place your bonnet on top. Now it's time for bed. When it's morning. Thank you so much for joining Weave Tips with Tamika James, your licensed cosmetologist, coming to you with the real deal info. I do have a full collection of instructional tutorials which are located on teachmeweave.com. Then you click on downloads and you select any of the videos of your choice for you to watch on the go, at home, or wherever you choose. It's always at your fingertips.